continuing this lesson. Today we're going to continue talking about the laws of the universe, which we started with the other video. And today we're going to discuss the first law. Now, in order to do that, we need to start by thinking about what the universe is made up of. And really, there are only two things that the universe are made up of: either matter or energy. And today we're going to talk about matter. Matter is everything that you see around you. It's everything that you can feel and touch, like this table, like myself. You're matter. It's everything that you can smell. It's everything that you can. Taste. Those are matter. So basically, if you look around your room, look around the room, everything that you see is made up of matter. And matter is kind of like Legos. It's made up of these really tiny particles. The only difference is that these particles are so tiny that you can't see them with your own eyes. And they're even so tiny that you can't see them with a normal microscope. You have to have this very, very strong microscope called an electron microscope before you can even begin to see them. So imagine, like, this table is made up of these thousands and millions and billions of these tiny, tiny particles. And they have made this table. Just like you can build something with Legos, matter gets built together with these particles. Now, we move these charts down. You can look at those later. Now, this matter, these particles, they come together. We call them states. In fact, let me just read the first law to you. The first law says, all particles of matter are in a solid, liquid, or gaseous state. Now, I'm not talking about Nebraska or Iowa or Florida or California when I say state. A state is just how the particles are put together or not put together. So let's look at these three states of matter. The first one, take this jar and I'll open it, and I'm going to put this rock into the jar. This rock, you hear it, it's clunking the glass, it clunks the table. It's pretty hard. We call this rock a solid. The next state of matter, I get another jar, I'll open it, and I'm going to pour this water into the jar. Now, when I move this water around, you can see that it moves differently from when I move this rock around. It's a liquid. We call water, and this, when it moves like this is a liquid. And finally, I'm going to take this next jar and I'm going to open it. I've captured something in this jar. I wonder if you can figure out what it is. It's the third state of matter. It's invisible. In fact, most of the states that are in this state, when matter is in this state, it's invisible. You can't see it, but we know it's there. We breathe it. It's air. Air is what we call a gas. So these are the three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Thank you.